RAR Garage, today is the day. We finally got the monster truck go-kart ready for its next test drive. And we're wheeling it outside to see if it'll start and run. Woo! Guys, this thing is absolutely insane. The last time we had this thing running, it was stock gearing, so it had no torque, it barely worked, and we drove it into the lake, completely flooding the engine, essentially totaling it. In the last video, we did everything we could to get it running and we just failed. But today, we have new parts to get this thing ready for its next test drive. We had to do some unwelding, re-welding, and some custom fab. We got so close to running the Torque Monster Sprocket, but the studs were too short, so we need to build custom wheel spacers. We gotta pull this off and cut it. So Matt, let's get to it. Step one is to unweld all of these welds we put on last time. And Matt is brave enough to take on the job.
I've got the unwelder here.
That's the unwelder for sure. This is always a crazy process, so strap in for this one.
What if you hit it with the impact now? If it'll just come out.
It might. Yes! You unwelded it.
It is fully unwelded.
Now we will repeat the same process to unweld the last three. Wow.
Not bad.
That was a lot of unwelding, but it looks pretty clean.
Yeah.
And all of that just so we can put new longer bolts in and re-weld it all. I might do a little less welding in case we have to unweld it another time. Maybe just put a couple of tacks.
Yeah, smaller welds.
Yep. Now we're gonna be cutting some wheel spacers, which we need 4 of, and this machine is so loud. So we gotta just put on hearing protection. I'm gonna step a little bit away for safety and let Matt be the brave soldier who cuts more metal. Woo! That thing is seriously so loud, but
Man, that is a really bad cut.
Oh.
That's like so bad.
How'd that happen?
I don't know.
Matt's giving it another shot to see if he can get a cleaner cut. This time, he's going to try holding it in place to keep it stable, but using his bare hand makes this way more risky. He has to be extremely careful, because one small slip could go really wrong.
It's like cutting at an angle.
After holding it steady and trying a few more times, we're finally getting closer to a clean, straight cut. There we go, we got it all figured out. Nice, straight cut.
Yeah, that's probably how it should look.
Even though we got a pretty straight cut, the edges are still rough and uneven, so we're gonna use the grinder to carefully shape everything and smooth up those rough, jagged edges. We got this thing all put together and assembled. Now it's time for the re-weld. I hope this works. Time to re-weld. Trying to get penetration. I don't know how much we're getting, but I don't want to do too much welding on it.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Okay, now I just got to strap down and do that 3 more times.
All right.
We are re-welded with some beautiful welds.
Stacking dimes over here.
Absolutely proud of that. So now, there we go. This is our spacer, guys. So we can stick out this much further on the rear, which will give us all the clearance that we need. Look at that. So this thing's gonna be kind of funny. It's gonna have all normal spacing, and then this tire is out.
This wheel's gonna be a lot wider.
3 inches wider. But hey, it's a proof of concept. It is a monster. We may need to space all of them out like this, but we gotta just get this Torque Monster gear working and get a test drive where this thing actually works. And that's gonna happen today. And we're so close now. Just gotta tighten some bolts. Now that we bolted everything down, the spacers are on, which means we can finally bring this monster truck go-kart back to life. All we need to do now to get this thing running is bolt these tires back on, and we will finally be ready to see this thing in action again. And now we are ready. Let's see if this thing fires up, and if it runs, we are ready, because the Sprocket, the absolute torque monster mod. I think we're ready, Matt.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited with how this thing turned out. It looks awesome. And, you know, wheeling it out here, the chain didn't fly off.
Yep.
So.
And I'm really proud of some of our engineering.
Oh,
look at those mounts.
I'm pretty proud of these mounts. I'm really proud of our wheel spacer system here. I mean, there's a lot to be proud of.
There's a lot that could just completely fall apart here in 5 seconds, and we were about to find out. All right, Matt, let's do the honors.
All right. Let's see, get the choke on.
I'm really hoping it starts after sinking in the lake.
One pull, you know the rules.
Oh, wow.
Almost had it. But I want a little choke stuff.
We'll give her a chance to warm up. I mean, this engine had terrible oil in it, sunken in the lake, and sat for quite a while. We are about to see if that gear ratio is going to be a torque monster. I think it will.
The engine's mounted so high, it's shaking a lot.
Yeah, it's kind of cool. Let's get suited up and let's do this thing. We geared this thing down like 200%.
Watching how much this whole thing is shaking, it's just oozing horsepower.
I know. Oh wait, there's no brakes.
Yeah, no brakes.
God, the brake is
Your
turning
steering
the wheel.
the steering is brakes.
Yeah, just rub the wheel.
All right, I'm gonna turn off your choke here and see if it wants that. Okay. Choke is off. See if it's all right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It feels good. It feels really good.
Oh my gosh, the torque monster.
I'm gonna go real easy because there's no brakes and barely any steering. Oh, it feels so good. It's working. Oh, that doesn't look good. This wheel is wobbling.
Uh-oh.
I don't know why that wheel's wobbling so bad. But we got torque, guys. I have barely even touched the throttle. No, no, no.
Oh boy.
This wheel's doing a weird wobbly thing.
Is it loose? Maybe it didn't get fully tightened or something?
I don't know. I'm not sure
I like
what's
how
going
it
on.
spins when it's on the ground. It's pretty funny. The whole frame's twisted.
Maybe it's okay.
Seems okay.
Yeah.
I don't know.
But everything surprisingly on that little baby test is holding up just fine.
You're just idling right now.
Yep.
Little choke for start, maybe.
Oh, look, she wants to roll under idle.
So much torque.
This thing is like got monster truck gearing now. Yeah. Okay.
Might pull a wheelie on you.
Yep. I've only touched the throttle. We got to give it a little more horsepower to go nice and easy. Oh, she's just gonna eat. Oh!
Oh no! I know that sound.
Uh-oh. Well, that didn't take too long.
I know this sound all too well.
We lost the chain.
Yeah.
That's okay.
You can put it back on.
The gearing feels really good though. It feels like similar to stock.
Yeah.
Which is kind of what the math was going for.
It should be pretty darn close to stock.
Should be on.
Oh, nope, that wasn't on. Oh, it's getting caught in this part of the tensioner. If we put it on, it's just the tensioner's gonna walk it off. Shoot.
Can I just get it to not do that?
Yeah, maybe. But as soon as it goes into that groove again.
It needs to wear a new groove.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's in its own groove.
All right, let's try that.
Let's try that. So we gotta wear a new groove.
Yep, go wear it in. Oh! Oh! The spring just snapped off. Yeah, the spring snapped out. It doesn't really have a good hook on there anymore.
I guess it pulled.
Yeah. Ooh boy.
Now we're tensionless. So when we give it more throttle, it is sucking that spring down. Since we have so much torque we're dealing with, we gotta upgrade other parts of this thing.
The spring's okay. We just need that to hook on a little better.
Yeah, but I think when we give it a lot of throttle, this tensioner might bottom out to the sprocket even.
Oh, was it? I see.
I think that's what's going on. Because we have so much torque.
Yeah.
It's pulling down really hard.
Okay, we'll try it again.
I don't think we're ready for a torque test.
It doesn't seem like it. All right, here we go. Spring came out again.
We're in trouble. Well, that might be all we need right there. Is just flip that around.
You know what we could do? We could just make this a little longer.
All we needed was 3 washers to space out the chain tensioner, and we're ready for another test. I'm feeling pretty good about this one. All right, Matt, let's do it.
Here we go.
Oh, she's torquey.
It's pulling.
We're going for another test drive. I think we should be good to go. And we're off and moving.
Oh boy. No brakes.
Uh-oh. Oh, not much steering, but the chain is not falling off yet. Is she not warmed up? I don't think she's warmed up.
It's not warmed up.
Okay, we're gonna try throttle now. Let's see. Okay, I'm going really easy on it.
Oh my gosh, this thing looks crazy.
We got no brake as we go down this steep hill, picking up some speed. Try to make this turn. So far, so good. This is the best yet. I haven't really done a throttle test yet. I'm gonna wait till we make this turn. Oh, just barely made it.
This thing's gonna be pretty cool if it works. I'm really excited.
Oh, she's a torque monster. We're still engaged. We're still going. Whoa, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be really good. I think it might be working. Okay, we're going off-roading now. Oh, wait. Oh, we got the wheel broken.
Oh,
We got the wheel
oh no.
Wheel's broken.
Oh no.
Oh, man, we got an issue.
That doesn't look good.
I knew something was wrong with this wheel. Oh, wow, that came off way faster than I thought. This bolt right here. Okay, good news and bad news, Matt.
Oh boy. All right. We can fix this.
That side's good.
Let's just go get a longer bolt and a nylock and we're good.
Let's do it. So now we're gonna do a little field swap because these bolts literally just came right out in the steering. So we're gonna fix this. I don't know why we didn't do this earlier where we put a longer bolt on and then a nylock so it doesn't come off, but we're doing it now. And that should fix it, and we'll do that on the other side. And we're ready for another torque monster test. But I'm so excited because this thing absolutely chugs and thugs, just thumps. Coming up here, I only did a little bit of throttle and it was just duk, 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 duk. So this thing should be able to hit a theoretical 40 some miles an hour with these big wheels on it. Theoretically. Theoretically, and I honestly think it might work.
I think it will.
Let's go for another test. Pulling. I think we should be really, really good to go. I mean, what else could break at this point?
There's nothing left to break.
We broke everything, we fixed everything. It's time to rip and monster truck. Yeah. Oh, we're monster trucking. Okay, I'm gonna go easy downhill. Oh, it's bumpy this way.
It's looking pretty good.
Okay, I have no brakes, so I gotta be really mindful where I go. Oh, that's steep.
Oh boy, he doesn't have brakes. You better watch those hills. Oh my gosh.
Whoa, okay. Let's do a torque test.
He is asking for trouble.
Okay, we'll do another pull.
Oh wow.
Yeah!
It looks pretty fast.
And we're still on. Yeah!
Wow, the chain's not falling off.
Uh-oh. I think something else broke. I don't know what. I think something broke. I don't know what.
Uh-oh.
Let's bring her around to a stop. We broke something else, Matt. Throttle broke.
Oh, no way.
Look at that, guys. The throttle is broken. It came loose.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it slipped.
Yeah, it slipped through there. We need a Phillips.
Okay, so back to the garage. We need a Phillips.
Phillips screwdriver. I've got all these tools in my pocket, but not a Phillips.
Just when we thought we couldn't break anything more, literally the simplest thing breaks, but we'll fix it and we'll get ready for another pull test. And tight, we are ready for the next test. I think now nothing more can break because I really want to start ripping on this thing and maybe even take it out to the back motocross track. All right, we're off and running.
Running.
We are off and running.
Nothing left to break.
At this point, there literally is nothing left. Yep. Oh, she's hauling. She's hauling and bouncing. Whoa!
Thank goodness. I don't mind when there's an easy fix.
Okay, throttle is fixed. We are good to go. Okay, I don't want to total this thing like we did the RC monster truck. We crashed it right here with the saw blades. Let's row, Yahtzee. Monster truck. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh wow, he's flying. He's flying. Uh-oh.
Something else broke, Matt.
Oh no.
I'm not sure if it's the throttle again. It might be the throttle again. Did you have it crimped like that?
Yeah. No,
Maybe
throttle's good.
Just shut off.
Throttle's good.
Might have just been the engine. I guess we just stalled it. Maybe it shook too much.
Yeah, I don't know. Choke's off? Oh, choke's not fully off yet.
No, off is that way.
Oh, yep. Well, it was in the middle. Woo!
Well, maybe that's what it was.
Yeah, let's get it ripping. Get it hot. Oh my goodness, what? Whoa!
Ugh.
All right, a little bit of choke for starters. Go, go! What the heck? What is happening?
We out of gas?
No, I know that much. Dude, what is going on?
She totaled?
Yeah. Something's going on with the carb or something. I don't know. I feel like something got gunk in it or something like that. No, that's strange.
Yeah, that's not good. Today was a big success that we got this thing running and driving, and it seems like the Sprocket, the absolute torque monster, is working good. But because this thing is hodgepodge together, it was sunk underwater, we're still having a little bit of issues with the engine. We're gonna have to look into it, and we still need brakes, we need better steering, we need to update this thing a little bit more. So the Monster Truck Go-Kart is a proof of concept. It is working. If you guys love this project and want us to see us keep building this thing out to make it even more amazing and truly functional, you're gonna have to subscribe, because we're gonna have to hit that in the next video. And until then, we'll see you guys on the next episode of RAR Garage. Woo!